So here there are three values are given. The HCF is 12, the difference is 60, and the LCM is 2448. So we need to find those numbers. So now look at this. So we have 10. So we can write it as 5 into 2, and we have also 15. So we can write as 5 into 3. But look at this 5 and 5 are common. So this is the HCF of these two numbers, and that is 5. Now if we take the LCM of these two numbers, we will get, so 5, it will be 2 and 3. So 3 into 2 into 5 is 30. So the LCM is 30. And now we can write 30 as 5 into 6. What does this mean? This is also the HCF of these two numbers. So we can write HCF into 6. And now look at this. HCF into, we can write this 6 as 2 into 3. And that's exactly this 2 and 3. You can see there is a relation between this HCF, LCM, and also these numbers. So we'll use this relation to find those numbers here. So as we don't know those numbers, so we can assume like those numbers are like X and Y. Suppose those are X and Y. So we can write X is equal to what? 12m. Just compare this, like X is 10 and 12 is our HCF. Here HCF is 5 and this m is like 2, and Y will be same, 12 into like n. So this n is like 3 and 12 is HCF. And also the difference is 60. So we can also write X minus Y is equal to 60, or it's 12m minus 12n is equal to 60, or m minus n is equal to 60 divided by 12. So it will be 5. So this is our another equation. So now, and also the LCM is 2448. So now what we can write, 2448 is LCM, and we can also write this as the HCF just like this one, and m and n. So m and n will be 204. So we have already find our two equations, this one and this one. We can solve this equation to find those values, but we will not do that. We'll just simply find the factor of 204. So we can write 204 equal to 2 into 102, then 4 into 51, then 12 into 17. Now look at this. So this is m into n, and there is a difference between m and n is 5. So we can see the difference here is 5, and m is as bigger, so m is equal to 17 and n is equal to 12. We have already found the m and n value. So x will be what? 12 into 17, and y is equal to what? 12 into 12. So this is exactly 204 and this is 144, and this is our solution.